Hello class, again this is another problem that could be difficult for some of you if you haven't seen it before. Here we're going to be solving a two-step equation with variables on both sides. So in this case we're only going to be dealing with one variable, of course. So we have 2x equals negative x plus 9. How do we solve this? The goal doesn't change from before, which is we want to have all the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. So here we have variable, and a number. So we need to get rid of this variable and we need to pretty much bring it to the other side somehow. So to show your work, what you need to do is, this is a minus x, or you're subtracting x from this side here. So to do the opposite of that is you need to add x to both sides. Okay, so 2x plus x, you end up with 2x plus x. On the other side, you're going to end up with minus x, or negative x, plus x plus 9. Negative x plus x, those two add up to 0. So you're going to end up with 2x plus x, that is 3x, equals 0 plus 9, or just 9. So this is your first step. Now you have 3x equals 9. We only want x, so we do the opposite of multiplying 3 by x, which is dividing both sides by 3. Of course, what you do to one, you have to do to the other side. And we end up with the final answer as 3 divided by 3 is 1, so 1x equals 9 divided by 3 is 3. This is our solution. Let's do the same thing as pictorially, using pictures or drawings or algebra tiles. So using algebra tiles, we are not gonna do anything differently than any other problem, which is, first step is model the equation that we have using algebra tiles. So to model this problem, we have two x's on one side. So let's this time draw them horizontally for no reason at all, just change things up a bit. The equal sign is a small line that separates both sides. On the other side we have minus x, so that is going to be a shaded in rod, and 9, so we have positive, so they're going to be hollow. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so first step we need to do again, algebra doesn't change. We need to add or we need to have the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. So in this case, we're going to need to add a positive x to both sides to get rid of this minus. So a positive and a minus cancel out, and they have to be of equal side to be able to cancel out. So we are going to add positive 1 to both sides. So these two here are going to cancel out. We have a negative x and a positive x. And now we have to redraw the same thing that we have. So in this case here, so as I said before, I would draw them always on top of each other vertically, and we divide what we have remaining amongst them. And in this case, we have 1 to 9 of them, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Don't forget to always circle your answer. So each x equals positive 3, so x equals 3, and that's your answer.